the child in the manger as he sleeps. Whenever I see people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is true. There is light our Christmas tree for a bright tomorrow when wishes are peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let be the one to guide us as another New Year start. And may the spirit of Christmas